What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing very good. And today I feel like, I want to do an update of BTC and the entire market for the rest of 2024. Because, guys, I think, guys, I don't think I know some people think we are in a bear market. Some people think we're going to 100K. But the reality is, I think guys we're in a multi-month correction. Okay, so only for a correction. I'm not gonna aim for a bear market. Okay, cause I think it's too early to have a bear market. I think we have not top yet. Like I don't think we have top. We have top like for real. Like for real. Okay, if you go check it out, guys. Okay, you guys have to understand. Okay, I highly believe, okay, because the stuff we're getting here, for me, is not. We looks like a top, okay, a local top, okay, but I'm not gonna say that's the bear market, and then we're gonna go all the way to 15K. This is not what I'm saying, guys. Okay, I think this time has not come yet. Okay, the reason why I'm saying this, the reason why I actually think we're in a bear market, not in a bear market, we're in a multi-month correction. Okay, it can take like 6 months. It's been like let's go check. It's been like maybe what 2 months, over 2 months right now. Been what? It's been like if you go check in a daily, maybe better. So we've been in a correction for what? For 80. No, yeah, less than that, for like let's say 6 to 8 days. Okay, we've been in a correction for like 6 to 8 days. So it's been like 2 months and a week. Okay, 2 months and a week. But I think we're gonna have a multi-month correction, like something that's gonna take actually like 6 months. Okay, so I don't think we're out of the water. I don't think I mean it's possible. Okay, I know some people. I know actually maybe it can actually happen. Okay, can actually happen. I know why you guys are thinking that. Because at first I was looking for the same thing, guys. At first I was looking for the same thing. For me, all this. Let me show you. For me, all this was a A B C. Okay. All this was a A B C. Okay. And I was still looking for one more up, but for the last one. Okay. For something like this. Okay. But then guys over here, if you take the EMA, okay, I know people getting bullish right now over here. We could have said the same thing. We could have the same thing over here, over here, over here, over here. But it always go back down. Okay, always, 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 always. Guys, remember, okay, as long as we don't break this, I know people thinking we're going straight to 75K, something like this, straight to 75K, right? I know people looking for this right now, okay? Or I know people looking for a retest for something like this. We take off this. I know some people looking for a retest, something like this, a pullback, and then it's gonna pump it back, right? But guys, this is not what I'm looking. It's gonna pump it back and goes back above here at $75,000, even more than that, to 100K or whatever, guys. Okay. At first, I was looking for this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, for this down, we did get the down. I was looking for the down, and I was looking for $75,000. Okay, for all this. Okay. And then yes, we can look. I was looking for a correction. Okay, but the thing is, I've seen this a lot on Twitter. People, when something like people always think the same. Usually it does not happen. This usually does not happen. I see people now taking super bullish, but it should not. It should not turn out really bullish like this. Okay. So listen, as long as we don't break this low, I mean this last lower high, okay, as long as we don't break this last lower high, that's what you guys need to understand. You guys are getting bullish really, really, really too early. Okay, I'm still aiming for this. Okay, because as long as we don't break this, listen, you guys have to understand. Okay, I know people are not understanding right now. You guys have to understand. Listen. Okay, we're in a downtrend. You can clearly see it. We're in a downtrend. Okay, and you can see it. We have a big rejection here too. Okay. So listen carefully. As long as we don't break this area over here, I'm still gonna look for this down to all the way to 51k. Okay. But if you actually break this high, now okay, if you actually break this high, okay, now we can say we're gonna wait for a correction and then we're gonna aim for $75,000. But we have none of this right now, guys. We have none of this. I know some people getting really excited. You guys are all looking for the same thing. You guys all want a sweet test, okay? But the reality is, guys, you're gonna get something like this. I'm telling you, you're gonna get something like this. You're not gonna get the sweet test, okay? I know. Listen. It's gonna be some buyers here, for sure. It's gonna be some buyers here. Let me show you. It's gonna be some buyers here. It's gonna think, oh, here. I'm buying. So you guys, many of you guys are gonna buy in this area for sure, and you guys are gonna aim for $75,000. But the reality is, it's gonna bounce, or it's gonna bounce, but it's gonna crash. It's gonna crash on you. That's the reality. Okay. Like, actually, okay, it's between two choices. For now, I'm looking for two choices. Okay. Cause don't forget, guys. Don't forget. This actually, because we did take the $75,000 area, we did take the $69,000 area. Okay. So from now, guys, I'm looking for two stuff. Okay, it's between we get this, but to be honest, guys, with you, I think that's a exit liquidity. People are the world are just quitting right now. They're just leaving the market. The reason why I'm telling this, because for me, this SP500 has stopped up. So I don't think we're gonna get the bounce that people are looking for. Even like if it goes to 51k, I don't think we're gonna get this. Okay, I don't think it's gonna bounce like some things like this, right? I mean, it's still possible, but the thing I see the problem with, I see the stock market. I'm still looking for this. Okay, in this area, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen from here. Okay, and then if we get the 1 2 3 4 5 and we do not go too low. Only if you don't go below 50k. Okay, if you don't go below 50k, this structure is still gonna be available, still gonna be possible. Okay, only if you don't go below $50,000. But if you start going below $50,000, then no, I will not look for this anymore. Okay, only for sure it's gonna go lower. And the thing is, guys. Okay, I think over here, if you guys have not sold yet, if you guys have not taken some profits, it's time to take some profits. I'm telling you, okay, it's time to take some profits, because I think you're gonna regret it. Okay, so the reason why I'm looking for this, okay, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna look for right now. I think we did top out. Okay, I think we did top out, but it's still one more possibility. We get one more down, then we go one more up to $75,000. But after it's gonna be over. Okay, we still have this possibility, but I think like I said, the SP500 has stopped out from my part, so I don't think I'm gonna get it. So let me show you. Okay, guys, for me, like I said many times, okay, I'm looking for the same thing as 2021. Okay, I'm looking for 20. I think we're in the same area over here. Okay, we're in this area, and I'm gonna look for a move like this, guys. Okay, I want to look at a move like this, then we're gonna look for up again, something like this. Okay, and then yes, we're gonna look for a down. Okay, this is more what I'm looking for. So the best place for my part, if you guys want to invest, like I said many times, you guys should not invest at $60,000. That's for sure. Okay, if you guys want to invest, actually, it's really important, guys. Okay, because if, let's say, you guys think you guys are smart, right? You guys think you guys are smart. Okay, so let's say you bought over here in this area. Okay, like you had no reason to buy. Okay, guys, it's not gonna happen every time. It's not gonna work every time. Let's say, okay, you guys did buy over here, but the reality is you had no reason to buy. That was really ugly as fuck. That was not looking too good. And to I don't know why you bought this, to be honest. Ooh, what happened? Okay, I don't know why you got bought this. I mean, that was not looking too good. It could have go down like this. Okay, so you did take a lot of risk. Okay, maybe if you went there here, but that's not what. No, it's not looking good, guys. Okay. So if you guys think we have bottom, okay, we could have said the same thing. We could have said the same thing over here. If you guys remember, it's literally the same thing over here, right? We could have said the same thing over here, guys. Same thing, literally same thing. But no, guess what happened? We get the same drop. So I'm gonna look for the same drop, a drop like this again. Okay. Hey guys, I know a lot of people are not showing you this, but listen, okay? If you're gonna weekly chart, you go check the. I don't have the MACD. I don't have that. Yeah, so it makes sense, guys. Okay, the best way to invest. I mean, maybe not 39 possible, but I think it can go all the way to 30k, to 28k. Okay, this is where I will be looking to buy, and even swing long trade if you want a long 60k. Okay, so if you go check the MACD, guys, that's super important. I know some people are not showing you this for some reason. Okay, some people are not showing you this. Oh, I think it's this one. No, that's one. Which one is it? The MACD. Where's the MACD? How come I don't have it? What? Where's the MACD, guys? Oh, let's refresh. Swear. The MACD is here, okay? Where's the lag? Okay, if we go check the MACD, guys, okay? Oh, what is this? What is this? What is going on with the MACD? Okay. Now weekly. If we're going on weekly, guys, weekly chart. Okay. If we're gonna MACD, guys. I know a lot of people are not showing you this, okay? I know people over here they think we're bullish because we did a big wick like this, a big candle like this, a star candle, okay? But guys, we did cross bearish here. People are not showing you this. We did cross bearish here. What does that mean? The last time we crossed bearish, look what happened. We got the big drop. Last time, same thing. Cross bearish, we got the big drop. So that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm looking out for a multi-months correction. Okay. So the best way, guys, the best way. I'm telling you this right now. Okay. I want to see something like this. Okay. I think we're gonna go start. I think we're gonna do something like this. That's what I believe. Okay. It makes sense with the EMA. So I think we're gonna do something like this. We're gonna drop all the way. Expect we do something like this. Okay, we drop all the way to what, 40k. Then we do a big bounce. We get a big bounce. Okay, a big bounce. Maybe I don't know. Maybe to let's say over here 58. Then we do something like this. We go all the way to 30k, and then yes, you can look for a lot higher price action. Okay, all the way to 100k maybe, right? But yeah, so something similar to this. That's what I'm looking for right now. Okay, I think we did bottom. I think we did bottom. I think with the rest of the year we're just gonna be in a big correction, and we're gonna start back like maybe 2025, right? End of the 2024, maybe at the beginning of 2025 we might do a bull run again. We might continue the bull run. Okay, but for now this is what I'm gonna look for, guys. Okay, so yes, you can play a good long over here in this area. I'm expecting a really good bounce at 38k for sure over here, right? And if you don't get something like this, it's good to buy, because maybe you're not gonna get something like this and then it's only gonna go to 38k. So for sure you're gonna have to buy 38k. Then we might do a V reversal and not even go look back, you know, like we have done it many times before. Okay, so it's between you get something like this, something really corrective, right? Something like this. And then, or you guys, we only go to 40k to 38k, and then we make a new high. Okay, and the reason why I'm saying this, guys, let me tell you why, exactly why. Because for my part, guys, SP500, I think we're in a big correction. Okay, it does not have to go all the way back to 4.2. Okay, it does not. I just want you to make sure to understand this. It does not. Okay, you can go like all the way to like, yeah, 4.5 makes sense, right? 4.5, we get something like this. 4.5, it does work with the trend line here, right here. So we get something like this all the way to 4.5. We make a new high, we make a new high, maybe all the way to $6,000. Okay, let's say, all right, let's put this like we go to 4.5. Okay, then we go to 5.8. So we do something, we do something like this. We get a rising wedge, a big rising wedge, and then yes, we can go for a big crash, right? Okay, so what I'm looking for BTC, that's what I'm looking, because listen, for me right now, we are in a correction for the SP 500, but we're not gonna be in a correction. We're not gonna be in a correction that people actually think we are, and that's really crazy to say this, because you cannot say stuff like this because you got no clue. Okay, I know some people, they're gonna say, oh, it's over, we're going to all the way back here, right, to all the way to 2.1. But that's no, you cannot say stuff like this. Like, people actually gonna think that you're just a retard, that you don't know what you're doing, just doing random shit. So that's what I'm saying. So for now, guys, listen, for now, I'm not gonna look for this, okay? But listen, if you you wanna short here. Okay, let's say you short here, you're gonna aim. Let's say you wanna short, okay? You're not gonna aim for a big down move. You're gonna aim, yes, you get in here, say get in here right now. Whatever how you wanna play it out. You play this area all the way to 4.4. Okay, and if you're lucky, let's say, oh, the market just gonna wants to drop, okay, you're gonna be in already. You're gonna be in from here, but it's not what you're gonna look for. You're gonna look for a move like this. Okay, that's important to understand. So you're gonna move for this move. Okay, you're gonna take a lot of profits. Let's say you're gonna take 75% of you trade, and then you're gonna let the rest run in, right? If you decide to want to go lower and lower, you're gonna be already in. And I know a lot of people they are not seeing this way. Okay, but that's for the SP 500. That's what I'm looking for the next next years, right? I'm talking about by 2026. I'm not talking about right now. Okay, I'm talking about the future. This is what I'm looking for. I think we actually believe we're gonna get a big crash, but not right now. Okay, I would say like maybe like 2 years from now, in 2026, 2027, and it will be a huge opportunity. Okay. And if you get something like this, right, all the way to 2.1, and if you guys remember, when we reached this area 3.4, we went to $15,000 for BTC. Okay, we went to 15K. So we're still gonna pay the same way. Okay, we're gonna pay the same way, and it will make a lot of sense, guys. It will make a lot of sense. Okay, so everything's gonna be the end. Everything's gonna be in the end of the long term about what, 20 years of a bull market, right? I don't even know. So this is why I'm saying this, but let me show you. Okay, it will make a lot of sense. It will make a lot of sense to me, because I think we did bottom. All right, we're not gonna see this level. I don't think we're gonna see this level, that's for sure, for the next 2 years. Okay, I think we're not gonna see this level for the next 2 years. Okay, this level is gone. It's over for now. Okay, but 30k, I think 30k we can get it. I actually think we can get it. 30k, 28k, I think we can actually get it. And the reason why I'm saying this, we got a big trend line nowadays, right? We got a big trend. We can make a big trend line over here, and it makes sense. It goes to 28k. And let me tell you why I'm actually expecting this. Okay, because I'm gonna count this all this move as a 1, all this move as a 2, all this move as a 3, or let's move as a 4, and then a 5, and then a 5. So it's literally the same thing with the SP500. So I'm still gonna look for one more up. So that's why I believe we are only in a correction. We get one more up, okay, and then yes, we get the big drop all the way to $3,000. It makes sense. It does make a lot of sense. I know some people gonna call me crazy and all this, BTC, and especially when BTC is gonna be like over here, like into 80k level, 90k levels, even 100k. It's gonna say, oh, BTC is unstoppable, all this, but this is what you're gonna get. Okay, you're gonna get a fully reset of every market. So I'm looking for. Okay, can go all the way to $3,000, even $2,000, and then then we're gonna reset the entire market. The entire market is gonna get reset, and then yes, you're gonna get something like this, and yes, then we can make a new bottom and make a reset, a completely reset move, and we get something like this. Let's say we go high on price action, then all the way to over here, then we do a correction to like $15,000, then we go up, something like this, and then we get a correction again, like in this area, then we go higher from here, like a reset, economic reset. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, guys. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. And let's say if you guys want to talk about the DXY, guys, DXY, if you guys know me, DXY, I'm actually bullish on the DXY. You guys should know this. I think this is very possible. Okay, I know people are not gonna believe that. Okay, we're in a rising wedge, falling wedge over here. You can see it, we in a falling wedge. For me, it's the target is a new all-time high. Okay, it's a new all-time high. But like I said, I'm talking about in a few years from now. I'm not talking about now. Okay, for now, we're gonna aim to something like this. Okay, for now we're gonna aim something like this. Let me show you. Okay, we're gonna aim for something like this. Okay, we want something like this. Okay, no, it's gonna daily because I have too much stuff. We want something like this. Okay, at least to this area, we want something like this. Okay, from here, for my part, I think the DXY can go all the way to 115, and it does make sense. The reason why it makes sense, because I actually think it's the SP500 is in a big correction, and BTC also multi-month correction. I'm talking about 6 months correction. So that's why I'm thinking of this. I think the DXY is gonna actually move like the next coming months. Okay, and from here, listen. Okay, from here we're gonna get this, and then yes, we're gonna get drop. Okay, we're gonna get drop, then we're gonna get a big move like this, a big up. So I'm gonna look for something like this. We're gonna get something like this. It's gonna make a retest all the way to 105, all the way to 105 or 107. Over here, you're gonna have to make sure like the DXY is gonna go drop, and then after this, it's gonna make sense. We're gonna have a one more up for every market, and then it's gonna moon, and then it's gonna be over. Okay. And then yes, it's gonna be over. So I'm still looking for this the upcoming months. I think we're going all the way to 115 at least. And then when we reach 115, okay, yes, we can look for some bottoms on every markets, because I'm gonna look for a down. I'm gonna look for something like this. Okay, something like this, a drop, and then a big up, and it's gonna be over for the entire markets. Okay, it's gonna be over for the entire markets. So that's why I'm gonna look for the upcoming months, right? So if you guys want to talk about Ethereum, you guys know if BTC goes to like 30k, and you guys, oh, that's something I've not seen. We're losing this EMA. Okay, we're losing this EMA, but it's okay. I'm not basing myself the EMA. Okay, so listen, guys. Okay. I think Ethereum. I think we're in a hopium. if you are in the multi-month correction, I would not be. I would not say. I would not be crazy. I mean, you should not be crazy. You should not be. I know people gonna think I'm crazy, cause it can be actually really possible that Ethereum goes all the way back here to its era to 1.7, right? To 1.8 era, right? And it does make sense too, cause over here we did bottom. Maybe we did bottom. Let's say we did bottom. Over here, that's the bottom, right? Let's say that's the bottom. It can go. It can still go to 1.7, right? So you cannot be, as long we don't break this, as long we don't break this, it can go all the way to, yes, to 1.6, 1.7 with 1.8. And that's only if I want to make sure that you guys understand. I'm talking about this. It's only if BTC they top out and we are in a multi-month correction. Doesn't mean we are not a daily correction. Okay, when we are not in a 4 hours or 1 hour time frame correction anymore. Okay, so you should not be, okay, you should not be surprised to see a move like this. Okay, you should not be surprised. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. Maybe we can get one more up first. Okay, it's really possible we can one more up first from something like this, and then yes, we get this after. Really possible. Okay, for sure you can get something like this first, make a double top, and then we go all the way to 1.7. But you guys should not be scared of buying, okay? Because I'm still gonna aim the same thing. Let's say Ethereum goes here, I'm still gonna look for a new all-time high. Will not matter. I'm still gonna look for a new all-time high. I'm gonna look to sell over here. So it will be a really nice opportunity. If you guys do not own some Ethereum and some many altcoins, it will be a really nice opportunity to buy Ethereum in this area, right? So I will be aiming like between 1.8 and 1.6. It will be a really good area to invest again if you guys are investors. Okay. So don't be too bearish, and I just want to make sure something. Okay, I just want to make sure, because that's something I will consider. Okay, maybe you will call me crazy, cause you guys can see it. Okay, I play with the rules. Okay, that's the rules. As long we don't break the stop, I'm gonna consider all smooth as a A, all smooth as a B, all smooth as a C. Okay. Okay, it's really important to understand. Okay, it's not because BTC, let's say BTC goes to $30,000. Okay, because the ETH BTC pair is looking very weak. Okay, so you should not be surprised. Very important. Okay, let's say BTC only goes to $30,000, but Ethereum is gonna be capable to do something like this. Okay, it will be capable. You should not be surprised if you get something like this. That's like, I'm not saying it's gonna happen. I'm just gonna say it, okay? Because I don't want you guys to be surprised. It's not. I don't think it's gonna happen, but I don't want you guys to be surprised, okay? The reason why I'm saying this, cause as long we don't break this area, okay, the next direction is this, okay? The next direction is this, okay? But you need to understand, if we hold this area, let's say we hold this area over here and we make a bottom here, okay, yeah, you're not gonna look for this part, okay? I just want you to make sure that you guys understand, okay? Just want you to make sure that you guys understand. But that's it, guys, okay? I don't want to go too far in this area, in this part, okay? But I'm telling you, you should not be, I'm telling you, you should not be surprised if you get something like this. But if you get something like this, we make a bottom below, then yes, we can go all the way back above. Okay, we can go all the way back above, yes. Okay, even if let's say BTC only go to 30K and then we make a new all-time high, BTC make a new all-time high, Ethereum actually can still do this. Okay, it's really possible. Okay, because I want to see the ETH BTC pair. Okay, I think we're gonna have to watch that because I don't want you guys to be scared for sure, right? So if you go check this, okay, if you go check ETH BTC, okay, the pair. If you guys remember what I said, as long as we don't clear this area, I am bearish on Ethereum BTC. Okay, Ethereum BTC, that's what we're getting. And people thought we did bottom on the Ethereum BTC, but this is not what I'm looking. This is not what he's looking for. This is not what is happening, right? I'm not looking at least for this area for the upcoming days. You guys can see that I said over here we did top out, right? And you can see we're just going down. So I'm gonna aim for this area at least, right? For a bounce. But listen, okay? If we're gonna weekly chart, okay? Gonna weekly chart. Listen, okay? It's possible, okay? It's possible. It's really important to understand that it's possible. I think we might hit this trend line, okay? I think we might hit this trend line. So I'm saying, Ethereum could be really, really weak in the upcoming months, right? So we can go through hit this trend line for it, and then yes, we can have a really good bounce. Okay, really, really good bounce. Or it's between. I don't think we're gonna bottom here, guys. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna happen. Okay, I don't think we're gonna bottom this area. If you guys think so, but I don't think so. Right? I think we actually really lost support wherever we did lose it, and we right below here, so we did make a M top over here. Okay, the only way to change this situation, we have to go back above here, okay, and break this entire trend line, okay. But it's not what's happening right now, so we all the way below, okay. So that's what I'm saying, guys, okay. Ethereum BTC, I think the best way to bounce it's over here, so we still have a long way to go all the way back over here, and if not, we're gonna look for a bounce in this area, okay. And then yes, we can have a really good bounce, okay. That's what I'm saying. Ethereum, guys, it could be for up like this, okay. Okay, I don't want you guys to be scary or whatever, call me super bearish and all this and that, but I'm not, okay. But